Right, this is a room tour of a veranda suite on the Seabourn Ovation. So from the door, you've got the bathroom is the first thing you get to, and you've got the shower. It's quite spacious. You've got some Seabourn and Molten Brown branded amenities. Lots of space. More of that Molten Brown products, double sink, and a bath, shower as well. Got clothing lying at the top so you can do your laundry, a little canister with all your cotton buds and all of that. It seems like you have another amenity box which is locked away, which I guess will be restocked once you get to port. And then in the room, you've got like a little dressing table area at the entrance. And then the second door you come to is a little walk-in wardrobe with all your safety gear, extra blankets, safe. Lots of cupboards, laundry bag, just more storage space which goes all the way down, and lots of wooden hangers, a full-length dressing gown, and umbrella for those rainy days, your slippers and hairdryer. And then when you check in, you've got your key card here and it's ready for your luggage. And then on the bedside table is just a little empty box with a second little tray for all your stuff. And then light switches with your USB and other plugs. And then kind of more cupboard space. It's a little bit tight here. So this will be for your smaller items, maybe your shoes. Kind of the layout is pretty similar throughout. And then as you go into the suite, you've got your telephone here on this side. You've got your bar area. So this one has your glasses, and then this one is your proper bar with your drinks that you've pre-ordered as part of the cruise. We've gone for Baileys and a single malt, and then your little fridge with your soft drinks and ice box. We've got some bottled water as well. And here's your TV area. Got some more little cupboards on the top. And this one has some reading material. And more cupboards down here. And then, welcome champagne, of course. And then you've got this couch slash sofa thing, which pulls out to a sofa bed for when you convert the suite for 3 people. And you've got little seating area so you can see it in full. And this little settee is kind of like a little table and a little storage ottoman in one. And then you've got your little outside area. It's a bit busy. So as you can see, we're in port in Barbados, so it's not quite set up how it could be, but here you go. It's one of the veranda suites on Seabourn Ovation.